Welcome to Chamcash. Hello guys, this is Natasha. I am a member of Chamcash. I am here to explain about the business plan of Chamcash, how the company is generating money and making people rich by just a small Chamcash application. I request you to watch this video completely. Well, Chamcash is an advertising and affiliate marketing company which do advertisement and affiliate marketing program of all e-commerce companies which are doing online business like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopcluse, etc. Everyone is aware of affiliate marketing, where affiliate marketing means it is a type of performance-based marketing in which the affiliate marketing member of the company bring their family and friends to the shopping website and make them shop in that website. For doing that, the shopping website company pays some commission to the affiliate marketing member. If you look out Amazon and Flipkart websites, you will find an option, become an affiliate marketing member. All these e-commerce companies do affiliate marketing. For example, if I join as an affiliate marketing member in Amazon and make you to shop in Amazon for rupees 10,000 through my link, then the Amazon company is going to pay me minimum of rupees 500 as a commission. This professionally called as affiliate marketing. As I said to you before, Chamcash is an affiliate marketing Indian company. Within 9 months, there are 40 lakh plus users of Chamcash application. All the e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal, etc. are tied up with Chamcash for their business. Because Chamcash is having 40 lakh members of network, all these e-commerce companies are asking Chamcash to make their network shop in their website. For that, all the e-commerce companies are paying special commission to the Chamcash. Let me give a practical example. If you just download this Chamcash application in your smartphone and do shopping in Amazon for rupees 10,000, then Chamcash is going to get 500 rupees commission from Amazon company from your shopping amount, because they have made you to shop in Amazon website. The commission received from the Amazon is distributed as follows. Firstly, 100 rupees is taken by the Chamcash company. Secondly, 300 is given to the person who has shopped. Finally, remaining 100 rupees is distributed among the team members of Chamcash. So far, I have explained you only the shopping process in Chamcash, through which you can save some money while you shop. There is an earning option in this Chamcash application through which we can make a healthy income. Since Chamcash is a user-friendly application through which everyone is saving some money while they are doing shopping. If you just refer this application to your friends and family, they will also get 4 to 5% of cashback from the shopping amount as you are getting. But the advantage of sharing this application to your friends and family is you will be getting 0.5 to 1% of commission from the shopping amount. Similarly, your friend will refer this application to their friends and family and they will also do shopping. Thus, you will again get commission of 0.5 to 1% from them also. Likewise, there are 7 levels in Chamcash. From each level, you will be getting 0.5 to 1% of the shopping amount commission. This is how you can earn lots of money by this small application. And without knowing you are becoming an affiliate marketing member in all e-commerce companies. This is the single and powerful plan of Chamcash which I have explained to you. We have another earning plan in Chamcash, that is Chat and Earn. We usually do chatting with our friends and family through social networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. But these social sites are not paying us a single rupee for our chatting. When coming to Chamcash, Chamcash is going to introduce chatting service in this application within short time. And this plan is completely different when compared to other chatting networks. Chamcash chatting application is going to pay for the Chamcash users for chatting. Let me explain you business of Chat and Earn plan. Most of us do chatting in WhatsApp and we download this application from Play Store for free. But When we see today, WhatsApp is a billionaire company in the market. So here comes a question. Guys, do you have any idea how it become a billionaire company today without taking a single rupee from us? Here the business plan is very simple. It just makes usage of our internet balance through their applications. This complete internet server belongs to the Google company. So this Google company pays money to the application holders. Similarly, the MD of this Chamcash application, Mr. Mahesh Verma, is going to introduce the chatting application in Chamcash and make the users to chat. When Google is paying to WhatsApp for chatting similarly, Google is also going to pay Chamcash. If the Chamcash company is getting 100% profit from Google for chatting application, from that 100%, 80% of the profit is taken by Chamcash company and remaining 20% is given to the Chamcash network. Invite and earn is the another plan of Chamcash. Chamcash is paying money for referring this application to others. The person who is referring this application to others will be getting 10 to 30 rupees per refer, and the person who installed this application will get 62 rupees as bonus. For better understanding, I will show you an example. If we consider a minimum of 10 rupees per refer, and if we refer only 10 members about this application, you will get 100 rupees. If those 10 members refers another 10 members individually, you will get 200 rupees. And finally, this cycle begins at the end of the level 7. You will be having 1 crore of team and you will get 1 crore of rupees. This is the example of joining 10 people, and these 10 people had made your team to 1 crore. If these 1 crore of people do online shopping or recharge or pays electricity bill, you will get some sort of commission from all these 1 crore of people. Just consider you are getting 50 MP from each person of 1 crore team, then your daily income will be of some lakhs. And moreover, this Chamcash is not taking a single rupee from your pocket. Instead of that, the company is paying 62 rupees for downloading this application. So why to hesitate? Download and earn is another business plan of Chamcash. Here, all the commercial companies give their application to Chamcash and ask Chamcash company to make their application downloaded in their network. But as I said to you, Chamcash is also an advertising company. It takes money from the advertisers and make their application advertised in our network. Practically, I will explain you with a small example. For suppose, Amazon application is downloaded in the Chamcash network. This Amazon company gives 25 rupees to the Chamcash for advertising their application. Then out of 25 rupees, Chamcash takes 5 rupees and 10 rupees is given to the person who downloaded this application, and remaining 10 rupees is distributed in the